Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to temporarily deactivate an Instagram account. The process is simple. You just have to open the Instagram account, and of course, you should have the latest update just in order to avoid facing any issues while doing the process. I'm going to open my Instagram, then I'm going to go and click on my profile picture on the bottom right side. Then you want to go and click on your hamburger icon or on the top right side, or these three lines. And after that, you want to go and click on Account Center. Then you want to scroll down until you find here Account Settings. Go and click on Personal Details. And here you have account ownership and control. Click on it. Then click on deactivation or deletion. Then you want to go and choose your account. I'm going to choose my Instagram account. You want to go and click on deactivate account. Then you want to go and click on continue. Then you want to click on continue again. Then you want to enter your password in order to confirm that you are the one that you are using the mobile and to confirm the deactivation process. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.